Hey everybody, it's Greg Baird of GregRBaird.com. How are you today? It's a beautiful Wednesday here in Chicago, a little cool out. I had a kind of a long pashmina on, longer, as my friends would say, a longer blouse. But it was getting a little hot because I was doing laundry and stuff today. So, had a lecture program this morning where it really went well for a major company. That was fantastic. Got some seasoning to make and all sorts of stuff. I wanted to remind all of you, first of all, it's LGBTQ Plus History Month. And that's fantastic. It's one of my busier months, and I think it's great that we need to talk about our history, all of our history, not just the stuff that we were taught in school, but to include all of our history and everything that we know. And a lot of times our schools are not doing that. So those schools, colleges, universities also that are doing that, thank you. Because I didn't hear about any kind of LGBTQ plus history when I was growing up, and that probably would have been a life changer, if anything. So just to know that people made significant strides in our rights and fought, and you know, I always say that our history is not pretty, and it's not, but we need to know about all of our history. So anyway, LGBTQ Plus History Month, and then next week, which is actually a week from Friday, is Coming Out Day. Hello, I'm queer. And then also something that really kind of changed just the trajectory of my life is the murder of Matthew Shepard. That really had an impact on me. And next week, it's the timeline up until his passing. And so I'm going to be posting the timeline of that horrible hate crime. And I do every year on Facebook. So if you're following Facebook on my posts, you'll see that every day. I've been doing it for the last 26 years. Can you believe it? Other events going on, you're going to see right here, and things like awareness days and things like that. But do it in your own way possible. When it's a flag, you're changing your computer screen, that kind of thing. Doing a rally, voting, you know, we're coming up to an election. We got to have all those clear votes in there, and our allies as well. Very, very important. So I am off. I need to do a little trip to the west side to Caputo's today because I got to get some stuff for my seasoning. It's a little Italian market that I love. Haven't been there in months. So I thought, well, I got to do it today because I'm out of something. So I hope you have a great day ahead. Remember, if you need an LGBTQ plus speaker for this month, I have a fantastic program. Here is a little marketing for you to look at. And if you know anybody that would benefit from that, share, please. I still have dates open for this coming month, and I can accommodate however you want. So, and if you look at my website, it shares all the program details and that kind of thing. So, love you to pieces. Have a great day, and I will talk to you on Friday. Be good. Bye.